In this video I'm showing you how you can see Instagram account locations. So firstly open your Instagram app, and to see Instagram account location, firstly you can open any of the Instagram account. So let's say I open this Instagram account. So you have to go to his profile and then click on the three dots in the top right corner, and here you can see the option, third option, about this account. Tap here and you can see the in the most bottom four options, and here you can see the second option, account based in, and you can see here in my case this is India. So you can see here this account is from India. So that's it how you can see Instagram account location. It means see you can know the person's country. So that's it how you can see Instagram account location. So if you found this video helpful, so that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.